Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your American Express Blue Card step by step clearly. To activate your American Express Blue Card, start by locating the activation sticker. This sticker is typically found on the front of your card. Next, visit the American Express activation website. You can type the URL directly into your browser. Alternatively, you may call the customer service number provided on the back of your card. Once you're on the activation page, enter the required information. This usually includes your card number, security code. Make sure to fill in all the information accurately. After entering your details, review the information for any errors. When everything looks correct, submit the form. If you opted to call for activation, follow the voice prompts provided by the representative. You may need to provide the same details you would have entered online. Once your card is activated, you should receive a confirmation message. Keep your card in a safe place for future use. Remember to set up your online account for easy management of your card. Check your email for any welcome messages or additional information from American Express. You are now ready to start using your new American Express Blue Card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.